أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين سبقت لهم منا الحسنى أولئك عنها مبعدون لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين ولقد كتبنا في الزبور من بعد الذكر أن الأرض يرثها عبادي الصالحون إن في هذا لبلاغا لقوم عابدين وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
Assalamu alaikum. I will now present the translation of Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter 21, verses 102 through 113. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. But for those for whom the promise of a good reward has already gone forth from us, these will be removed far from it. They will not hear the slightest sound thereof, and they shall abide in that which their souls desire. The great terror will not grieve them, and the angels will meet them, saying, this is your day which you were promised. Remember the day when we shall roll up the heavens like the rolling up of written scrolls by a scribe. As we began the first creation, so shall we repeat it, a promise binding upon us. We shall certainly perform it. And already have we written the book of David after the exhortation that my righteous servants shall inherit the land. Herein surely is a message for people who worship God. And we have sent thee not but as a mercy for all peoples. Say, surely it has been revealed to me that your God is but one God. Will you then submit? But if they turn back, say, I have warned you all alike, and I know not whether that which you are promised is near or distant. Verily, he knows what is open in speech, and he knows that which you conceal. And I know not, but that it may be a trial for you, and only an enjoyment for a while. He also said, my Lord, judge thou with truth. Our Lord is the gracious God, whose help is to be sought against that which you assert. Jazakallah.